Hey guys, today I have with me the Oneplus Nord 2. The smartphone offers a 6.43-inch Fluid AMOLED display having a pixel density of 409 ppi and a refresh rate of 90 Hz. OnePlus Nord 2 has a bezel-less punch-hole display with Corning Gorilla Glass V5 protection. On the right spine, you'll find the alert slider and the power button. On the other side, the phone has a volume rocker. On top, there is a secondary microphone. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port, 3.5mm jack and a speaker grill. OnePlus Nord 2 comes with a triple camera setup with the OnePlus logo at the back. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now, let's get into the details about the internals. OnePlus Nord 2 comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 1200 chipset with 6nm fabrication. For multitasking, you will get 6GB of RAM and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 128GB. OnePlus Nord 2 offers a 4500 mAh battery powered by a 65-watt fast charging facility. Coming to the camera specs, the phone features a 50-megapixel triple camera setup and includes a 50-megapixel primary camera supported by an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera and a 2-megapixel mono camera. Also, the phone offers a 32-megapixel front camera with an Exmor RS sensor. The software version of the OnePlus Nord 2 is Android 11 with Oxygen OS. So guys, that's it for OnePlus Nord 2. Thank you so much for watching this video.